Every year, EuroPCR 2026 brings together the world of cardiovascular intervention in Paris. But this year felt different. The future of intervention felt closer than ever before. At EuroPCR, PCI and structural heart came together through one connected vision where innovation was not presented in fragments, but experienced as a complete clinical ecosystem. From 190 scientific sessions to spontaneous hallway discussions, the exchange of ideas became the true pulse of the Congress. Because innovation only matters when it performs, where it matters most. Inside the cath lab, in real time, under pressure, through 2 live case discussions, hands-on experiences, and interactive demonstrations, complexity became clarity. And possibilities moved beyond presentation into practice. Across the Congress, PRISM became more than a technology showcase. It became a platform for clearer visualization, sharper decisions, and greater procedural confidence. And alongside it, structural heart continued to expand the conversation around precision, access, and the future of intervention. More than 340 product interactions transformed curiosity into confidence, allowing clinicians to feel the precision behind every detail. Across 2 thought leader forums and 4 symposiums, global experts shared perspectives, challenged conventions, and explored what comes next for cardiovascular care. And across over 8,000 physician touchpoints, conversations turned into engagement, and engagement into lasting collaboration. What emerged over these 4 days was more than momentum. It was alignment. And as EuroPCR 2026 came to a close, one thing became clear. The future of cardiovascular care will not be shaped by innovation alone. It will be shaped by clarity, by collaboration, and by the confidence to keep pushing intervention further. Meril at EuroPCR 2026. Clarity to cure.